Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be learning about Google Sheets, which is an app and what's called the Google Suite, along with Google Docs and Google Slides. Sheets comes from the word spreadsheet, which is a way that people keep track of things that they buy or bills that they have to pay. It can be kept for lots of things. It can be kept for grades at school. You name it, it can probably be kept track of in Google Sheets. So first, if you're not already given a Google Sheet, here's how you make a new one. We go up to the New button, and then you'll see the green icon that says Google Sheets. I'm going to click that, and we'll get a blank sheet. So let's start at the top and work our way down. Up here we have the title. Right now it says Untitled Spreadsheet, and we'll say that until you change it. So I'm just going to put in test sheet for today. So that is the title. There's also a little star there. That's so you can find it quickly in Google Drive if you ever needed to. Next, we have the menu. The menu has the same things that we've seen in other programs and websites. We got the file menu. We have edit that has copy and paste and things like that, undo and redo. We've got view. There's not too much there that you would use right now. Insert. Just like in Google Slides, we have insert where you can put in images and things like that. And format and all kinds of different things. Next, we'll move down to the toolbar. That's where all these things are. It's got the undo and redo. It's got a print button, which you probably won't have to print anything. You can zoom in and out a little bit. There's some things about numbers. You also have a choice of fonts that when you start typing things in, you can change the font. You change the size, you can make it bold and italicized, you can change the color of the text and the color of the box that's behind it. Later on, we'll learn about borders and all of these other formatting things. The next part down is called the main box, which we'll get to in a moment, and then a formula box, which we'll learn about in the near future. All right, so let's talk about some big words here. We have on our screen a bunch of little rectangles. These rectangles are called cells. A cell is just a box where you can enter information. Usually, it's going to be words and numbers. Occasionally, you might put a picture in there. And every cell is under a column. So the columns are across the top here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you think of like an old house that has columns up and down in front of the door. So those are columns. They're labeled by letters. On the left side, we have these numbers, and they are called rows. So we've seen rows like in a sports arena, things like that, where you have to go find your seat. You go and look for the row. You put those two things together and you get something called a cell address. So I'm going to click in this box and just going to write hello. And we need to figure out the address of this cell right here. So it's column in row is how you name it. So it is in column C. It is in row 3. And so we call that C3. If you're not sure where that is, you can look up here, and it also tells you where you are. As you click in different cells, you'll get a different name up in the corner. That's not really something you need right now, but I do need you to know how to find a cell if I give you the address. So if I said, click inside of cell B7, you would look for column B, you go down to 7, and you would click in there, and then you'd put in whatever it is that you need to put in. So those are the big terms that you're going to use today during this video and during your activity that you're going to do. So I'm going to stop this video and you can finish answering the questions, and then you'll go on to your next assignment.